Guys, my name is Chuck, and if you're into graffiti or any other graffiti related stuff like spray paint or markers, then you should most definitely subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our videos. So it's almost winter, so I had the idea to give you guys some simple and easy tips you can apply on painting in the winter. So I'm already at the wall that I want to paint for this video, and I almost fell. The first tip that I would like to give you guys is just to shake your cans very well. The reason why you need to shake the cans extra well is because you prevent the cans from clogging. The paint is getting way thicker in the winter because it's cold, and most brands are not really made for painting in the winter. So the second tip that I have for you guys is to check the wall if it's not wet or if there's not even ice on there. In my case, the wall is completely dry, and this will make sure my piece will stick to the wall. If the wall is wet or there's even ice on the wall, it will definitely decrease the amount of time the piece will stick to the wall. The third and last tip before I start painting is make sure you bring some good gloves. Yeah, these ones are completely orange. They're not pretty, but they definitely keep my hands warm. It are like these thick worker gloves. Seriously, make sure you wear these in the winter because your hands will stay a lot warmer. And now I'll start painting. So as today is really wet and also cold, I just started painting, and although I'm wearing these thick gloves, I still can feel the cold come through these gloves. So this brings us to the next tip, which is that you can buy like these hand warmers. You can click them, they become really hot, you can easily put them in your pockets, and this is a nice way of heating up your hands. You got two different ones. You get the ones you can use only once, but you got also the other ones, you can put them in hot water so you can use them again. So if you're a guy that's painting in the winter, make sure you get these. And the next tip that I have for you guys is just use silver. With silver you can paint really fast. And the shorter you have the cans in your hands, well, the warmer they stay, I would say. So in the winter I really like painting with chrome. So the next tip, and this is actually my favorite one in all the tips that I just gave to you guys. I just put it next to my bag, but and you guys are probably like, what the fuck? So I brought a hot water bottle. Yeah, it's definitely not pretty, but what you can do with this one is just put it in your bag with all the spray cans. You can put it underneath your spray cans just so that you can put them on there. You can put it between your spray cans and it stays warm for a really long time. So I just place it on top of my spray cans. I zip the bag. Heat couldn't leave the bag, so all my spray cans are still pretty warm. But this one is gonna save your hands. It's perfect. So the outline is done. All I want to do is add a little second outline. I brought some light yellow, so it's really gonna pop with the purple. And the next tip that I'd like to give to you guys is make sure to bring yourself some coffee or tea in a thermo flask, like yeah, this guy is doing currently. He's enjoying a nice cup of coffee.
Cheers.
Enjoy, man. And that's it for now. So this is the final result.